You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shan Yvonne. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I hope it brings you all the cleaning motivation you need to get things done around the house. In today's video, I'll be doing an after dark clean with me living room edition. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave me a like if you do. Subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss any uploads. And comment down below. I love talking to you guys. So now let's get to cleaning.
I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain.
So on this day, my daughter decided to take all of her diapers and just dump them out all over the floor and make a mess, of course. But you know what? It's fine. This may sound crazy, but the more messes that my kids make, the more stuff that I have to do to keep me occupied during this time. We've been quarantined in the house for 7 weeks now, which is a very long time, and you can go a little stir crazy. So I just let them enjoy the moments. I try to keep myself uplifted and motivated, find you something every day to do that you truly enjoy. I like to read books, get up and have a dance party, go take a walk, pray, just keep yourself motivated. Like, don't sit and dwell on the current situation because it won't be like this always. I know it's kind of hard to see that right now as this is our new normal, but I do want each and every one of you to be happy, healthy, and safe.
You light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hangarounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
So I've been trying to talk a little less in my voiceovers. I don't know if you guys enjoy my rambling. I am a talker. I enjoy talking to people. So sometimes I'm like overly talking and I don't want to be annoying. So let me know in the comments if you prefer when I talk more during the voiceovers or if you prefer for it to be silent and just let the music play.
Woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my duvet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do, and then I let it shine.
take a break and put the kids to bed because we were not getting anything done. Everything that I would tidy up, Sydney would come right behind me and mess it up. So once we got them to bed, we could really get to cleaning. So the reason I didn't want to pull out the vacuum was because the kids had gone to bed, and if I turned on the vacuum, they would both wake up and want to get up, and we just can't have that. Bedtime is bedtime, and it is firm, okay?
Oh, nah, nah, nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go now? Now just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. The love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is.
Have y'all ever tried sweeping a rug? This was hard work, okay? It took way too much elbow grease. I had to tag my husband in because I was too tired to finish. My arms were about to give out.
Out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh.
to give a quick shout out to my friend Allison at Living Life Little, you guys. Go check out her channel. She gave me the motivation to move this couch and get it all clean behind it. So once you're done watching my video, go show her some love. She makes really good cleaning motivation videos.
Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
Gets so dusty, and sometimes it's hard to see it until you're really up close or you sweep it up in a pile, but trust me, it was a lot of dust down here that needed to get swept and mopped.
Like you, no, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Just a game, 'cause I got high hopes. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again.
So right here I'm just discussing with my husband about possibly rearranging the furniture. I love to rearrange the furniture in all of my rooms, like ever so often. So right now I can't really think of how I would change it, but don't be surprised when it's different.
Ooh. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need you. Weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I don't need no savior, no helping hand, no one to make me feel loved again. I am a woman, coming alive. Gloria Gaynor, we will survive. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you, yeah. Huh. I'm gonna let it shine on you. Yeah, yeah. Shine on you. I am a woman, coming alive. Gloria Gaynor.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brought you all the cleaning motivation you need. If you liked it, please leave me a like, comment down below. I love talking to you guys. Subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss any uploads, and stay tuned for the next video. So right now, we're just so happy to be done. We're about to relax, Netflix and chill. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.